Hey guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday, but Tuesday will be May the 5th, and that will be 5 years since I'm doing makeup. So I really did a makeup video before which I wanted to post, but I'm like, hey, my makeup anniversary is coming up, and also my YouTube anniversary, which will be the following week. But the makeup anniversary is coming up, and I'm like, I need to come up with a mom look. And of course, Beat by Debs, she posted this look a few days ago, and I was like, I have a lot of videos that I want to do, but I just feel like saying that video, yeah. This was it for my 5 years anniversary. And so, you know, with growth and drive, being motivated and all of that, I'm definitely gonna be posting another video on that for this upcoming week as well. But I'll post this makeup look first, and you know, get into the background of how I started, why I started, how is it going, all of that jazz will be in the next video. But if you guys want to see this look, yo, my face come on. No, my face go on with a bag of things. My face go on with things, yeah. And also I have a wig review on this here. I have a review on the ear, yeah girl. I have a review on the ear, so it will be in the description box as well once the video is ready. But let's just get right into this look. Come my face come out. My face going with a bag of things. I'm gonna ask you. Me not ask you. My face nice. But okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I wanted to do this eye first, you know, test out all the shades together before I came on camera to do the next eye. So if you want to see, just keep on watching. But I know my eye pop today, like I don't know what's happening, but we're going to get started. So I am going to be using a mixture of the Plouise base and the NYX eyeshadow base, and I am going to be applying this all over my lid. And I'm going to be using a brush to blend this out. So just to jump right into it, I'm going to be going into the Zulu by Juvia's, and I'm going to be using the orange shade, and I'm going to be placing it on the first half of my crease area, and I'm literally just packing the shade on. Going back into that same palette, I am going to be using this shade, and I'm using a more detailed brush, and I'm just going to go right on top of this orange. I'm basically just deepening the orange shade. So after I'm through doing that, I'm going to go back into the orange shade, and I'm going to be just blending out the edges, after which I am going to be going into the yellow, and I'm going to be placing this yellow above the orange. And I'm ensuring that all the shadows are blended together. So I'm going to be going into a different palette. for this shade, and I want this blue, which I will be placing on the outer V area. And of course, I'm ensuring that this is blended. So for the outer area, I'm going to be using a bunch of eyeshadow palettes, so just bear with me for this look. So I'm going to go in to Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this green, and I'm using a different brush, a more detailed brush, to blend out the ends. So I'm going to go back in with the brush for the blue. So before I cut the crease, I'm going to go in with some makeup remover on a Q-tip, and I'm just going to clean off the area that I want to cut the crease. And I usually go in with a wipes as well. So I'm going to go in with the Plouise base to cut the crease. Okay, Tash, not bad. So before I go in with my eyeshadows, I like to ensure that the base is dry for the most part. So first I'm going to go back on the outer V area with the first blue. On the inner V area, I'm going to go in with the yellow. So on the outer V area, I'm going in with this purple, and I'm just packing this onto the lid. So from the Take Me to Brazil palette, I am going to be using this pink. So the last shade is this orange from the Zulu Palette. Okay, so this is the part where I kind of struggle the most, which is to apply like a white liner up here. So we're gonna try that. If not, I'll just scrap this part out, but let's see if I can record doing it. Oh my god, like no, wait, okay, let's go. Whoa, I actually did a better job over this eye. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished, oops, my lashes. So I got this iconic London Prep Set Glow, and so I will be spraying this all over my face. So I'm going to go in with my Philips Milk of Magnesia. Okay, so I'm going to go in with two different foundations today. So I'm using the Juvia and the True Match. So the mixture is on the back of my hand. So I am going to go in with a brush to blend this out. So for concealer, I am going to be using the e.l.f. 6 Hour Camo Concealer, and I'm mixing two shades. So I'm first going to go in with the Deep Olive. Going to be blending this out. Okay, so now that that's blended, we're going to set the concealer, and I'm going to be using only the Sacha Buttercup, and this is actually the Sacha Light Buttercup. So let me set my highlighted area, and because I'm not finished with under my eyelids, I'm going to be placing some powder under my eyes, and I'll dust it away later. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Black Opal Ultra Matte Foundation Powder, and I'm going to be setting the rest of my face. For contour, I am going to be using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Saharan blush palette from Juvia's, and I'll be picking out these two shades. I think I use the same shade all the time, but hey, a girl likes what a girl likes, right? Okay, so this is what my face is looking like. I'm going to do under my waterline, and then I'm pretty much done with this look, so let's just do the do. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Primer, and this is the white one. So I'm going to be lining my waterline. So now that my waterline is lined, I'm going to go in with the blue from the BH Cosmetics Ultra Matte Palette, and I'm going to be smoking out my waterline. Ooh, this looks so good. This looks so good. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade, and I'm going just below that blue. Ooh. Ooh, child. Okay, so I'm going to be going into the inner corner with this shade. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to apply this to my lash line. So I forgot that I had the powder under my eye, so I'm going to try and dust that away. Which way? So I am going to spray my face, you know, to take away this powdery look. And I'm going in with my Mario Badescu facial spray. So I'm going to spray my face. And I'm going to be pushing this into the skin. So for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Lara Geller highlighter. On top of that, I'm going to go in with Artist Couture illuminating powder. Well, it's a diamond glow powder in Illuminate. So I'm going to just top this up. So I'm going to go over my highlighter with my blush brush. So I need a little bit of sparkle, and I have to shake this really well. So this is the Cover FX illuminating spray. It has particles of glitter, so I'm going to and the Glow Mix also have a little bit of sparkle, so I'm going to ooh, she's ready. no must I come like anytime. I haven't done my face in a while, like my face just come out, go there. So for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with a brown pencil. So I'm going to go in with the ColourPop lip gloss in Bestie. Then I'm going to go on top of it with this pink lip gloss I got from my mom. Then I'm going to put some Kiss Jelly clear lip gloss on top of this. So I'm going to change my top, then I come back on camera with, you know, the finish. But okay guys, so this is the finished look. No, my face come out all the way out. My face come, my look good, my stay good. So yeah, this is the finished beat, and I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm gonna feel so proud of myself, like, you know, 5 years doing makeup, and but just a grew up. I'm gonna see where me I drop back. Like every day I get better and better and better and better. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to also subscribe if you aren't a subscriber. Follow me on Instagram at Mstoofine. I love you all so much, and thank you guys so much for the love and support. It really means a lot, and until next time, I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye babies. Okay guys, I'll be placing on okay, so I get it, this is a lopsided eye. Battery's dying. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished, oops, my lashes. Maybe I went a little bit too hard. So am I focused? Yes, I am. Shit.